Hi, my name is Chris Horton and I'm at the Fort Walton Beach MarineMax. Today I'm going to show you the brand new 2020 Sea Ray 23 SPX. The bow seating up front is extremely large. You've got storage underneath the both compartments over here, so if you got life jackets, anything you want to put in there, you've got it. One of the things I really like about the 23 SPX is it has a head. Actually, a very extremely large one. The porta potty. Then at the helm you've got a Simrad combination GPS, fish finder, chart plotter, fusion stereo. I like the stainless steel rocker switches, and the bolster seat right here that folds down. One of the great things about the Sea Ray 23 SPX is that this one's got the outboard. So look at all the space that you have for storage in here. And when you shut this, you have a backrest that you can lay on. Put that down. You have a cooler that goes right here. You have another self-draining cooler right there. And the way this is powered, that's the brand new Mercury 200. That's one of the best motors out there that I've seen. And one of the things that's really nice about this motor is you don't have to take out the cowling to check your oil. How cool is that? This one also has a sea deck, so it's non-slip. It's extremely comfortable, non-staining. If you want to know more about this boat, or come see it, come see Chris Horton at 850-974-6032.